Hello trader, welcome back to Deep Pockets Forex. We'll be giving you a weekly view on the Forex market. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to comment on the comment section. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button to get our weekly updates. Without any further ado, let's get started. GBP USD. For GBP USD, we forecasted an up move from this level here. We said it's gonna move all the way until this level here. And as you can see here, we got this impulse move. Then from here, what is happening here is just a corrective structure. After this corrective structure is completed, we're expecting an up move. This past week, we released an update that from here, we're expecting a down move, of which we said you can trade if you like. And if you don't like it or you don't get an entry, you can wait to get the up move from this level here all the way until this level here. That's for GBP USD. If you are still holding a sell, keep holding, and then from here we can look for a buy opportunity all the way until this level here. That's for GBP USD. AUD NZD. AUD NZD, we've been looking for a down move. And as you can see here, this past week we released an update. We say that from here we're expecting a corrective structure here. After we get this corrective structure, we'll be looking for an entry down. AUD NZD is expected to reach this level. Then from here we'll be giving you an update. If this setup gives an entry here this upcoming week, you can look for an entry from this level here, or from this level, or from here you can look for an entry, then sell all the way down. Note that this setup, it does not mean that from here it can move down. There's a likely chance that it can move up like that. Then from here, this is when you can start moving down. So whatever happens, if your strategy can give you a proper entry, you can go for it. NZD USD. For NZD USD, from this level, we said we're expecting a down move like that to reach this level. But instead, this is what happened. We got a down move, then we got an up move. And this past week, we say that from here, we are likely, it's possible that we might get an up move. Then like you can see here, we got that up move, and we're expecting a small corrective structure here, then give one more up. Then from this level or from this level, we might be looking for a down move. If we get our entry around this level here, we'll go for our entry from this level or from this level. If we get a proper entry, we'll be looking for a sell all the way until this level. Then from here, we can be looking for a buy if we get our entry as well. That's for NZD USD. We'll be looking for a sell, then we'll be looking for a buy, but only if they are ready to be tradable. This is AUD USD. AUD USD, from here, we say that this is a turning point. We'll be looking for a down move to reach this level. But as you can see, we got that down move here. Then from here, we're just moving up like that correctively. There's a chance we might get a down move here this next week, then an up move, then down until this level. Or we might look for a corrective structure here, then up to reach this level here. Then from this level, we'll be going for a down move. That's AUD USD. If you get your entry strategy from here or from here, if it decides to move down here, you can look for an entry. But as for us, we'll be monitoring it, because as it unfolds, we'll be reading price as it unfolds. So as the week unfolds this next week, it will be giving us more data so that we can see what it's about to do. So for now, we can just observe it and see if we're getting an up move here or if we're getting a drop. And whatever happens, we know how to trade that accordingly. That's for AUD USD. This is NZD CAD. NZD CAD, like we said this past week, that we're expecting a down move here. And as you can see, the down move has not yet come, and still from this level, we're still expecting a down move. And we stated that there is a possibility that we might get an up move here, temporary up move, then a down move. But we will not be buying the up move if it comes, but we'll be only looking for a down here, a down. And if we get our entry strategy, we'll be going for the down move from this level here. That's for NZD CAD. This is Euro USD. For Euro USD, what we are saying this next week, there's a likely chance to get an up move here, and then a drop. Then this drop is likely to break this low here. That's for Euro USD. Then from here, we'll be looking forward for an up move that is going to break this high here. That's for Euro USD. We're looking for an up move here, then a down, then an up move here, and we'll be interested in taking this up move. Also, if this sell here gives good risk to reward, it's a sell that can be tradable, and if your strategy gives you a good entry, you can go for the sell. That's for Euro USD. This is Euro GBP. Euro GBP, it's been a while now. We've been expecting this up move here, then we're just moving sideways. Low volatility. But this next week, we're still looking forward for this up move here, because according to our strategy, it's still clear. It's still showing that we're expecting an up move from this level here. That's for Euro GBP. We're expecting an up move. AUD JPY, just like AUD USD, from this level here, we said we're likely to get an up move. Then from this level, it will be our turning point. Then we'll be looking for a sell down. But what we're getting here, we got this down move, then we got this up move. So what's likely to happen this upcoming week? We might get a corrective structure here, then one more up to this level. Then from this level, we'll be looking for a drop. However, we were expecting this drop from here, and it was likely to come from this level also, but it has not come yet. So we're still expecting that drop because it's needed. It should the structure should give this drop here, so that it completes the formation of the whole structure on AUD JPY. This down move is expected. That's why we can wait for it patiently. Whether it comes this week or the week after this week, we're still waiting for the down move. AUD JPY. This is USD CAD. For USD CAD, if you remember, this past week we went this level, and we say that if we get this up move here, we're not looking forward to trading it. All we want is a drop from this level here all the way down, and as you can see, we're still getting there. And if this next week we can get a corrective structure here, then more down, then from this level we'll be looking forward for an entry to buy all the way until this level. That's for USD CAD. Our bias is buy. We won't be taking any sell position, but we need the sell position to give us better risk to reward. So we'll be waiting for this down. Then from here, we look for a buy position for USD CAD. This is Euro CAD. For Euro CAD, as you know, from this level here, we say that we're expecting a down move to reach this level. Then we'll be looking for a buy position. And we got this sharp up move from this past week. Then we say that this next week we're looking forward to get a corrective structure around this level. Then we'll be looking forward for a buy position only if we get a corrective structure. But here we got a sharp move down. As you can see here. Then we got a small correction here, then down. So this next week we're looking for a small corrective structure here, then down, because this structure shows that it's gonna give a down move. Then from here, this one will be taking the up move. That's for Euro CAD. We'll be taking the up move from this level all the way until this level here. This is Euro JPY. For Euro JPY, this past week we said we're looking for an up move from here all the way until this level here. And as you can see, we got this movement, this sharp move. Then we got to this level. Then we were expecting to get a corrective structure here. Then look for an opportunity to buy all the way until this level here. That's for Euro JPY. But instead we got this sharp move down, and then we never got an entry. This next week, if we get our entry from this level, or if we can continue down, because there's still a possibility that it can continue down. If we continue down, we can wait for it. Then when we get our entry opportunity, we can go for the up move still. Then the up move is expected to continue until this level here. That's for Euro JPY. CAD CHF. CAD CHF, if you remember, this down move was forecasted that we're gonna reach this level, and then this next week, if we reach this level, we'll be looking forward for a corrective structure here, then more down from CAD CHF. But instead of the down move until this level, we got a corrective structure around this area. So this following week we're expecting a drop to this level here. Then from here we are likely to get a corrective structure, then continue more down to break this previous low here. That's for CAD CHF. We're still looking for more down. Even if we got this up move here, we're still expecting more down from CAD CHF. USD JPY, an up move is expected here because that's what the structure is showing us. An up move is expected for USD JPY. This is Euro NZD. For Euro NZD, from this level here, we said we're expecting an up move, and the up move was expected to move from this level here all the way until this level here. That's for Euro NZD. So this past week we got a drop here back to this level, which changed the structure a little bit. So this next week we're expecting to get a corrective structure here, then get one more drop until this level. Then from here, this is when we'll be looking forward for our buy opportunity to reach this level here. That's for Euro NZD. We're still looking for the up move, but just not yet, because there's an expectation that we can get this drop here. So we'll wait for the drop, then look for our buy. GBP CHF. For GBP CHF, we're expecting a drop here, but don't focus on the drop. Wait for the drop, then look for a buy from this level here. That's for GBP CHF. You can put aside the sell, don't take the sell, but only look for a buy so that you can get a bigger movement and get better risk to reward for GBP CHF. Our bias is up, but there's a chance that we can continue up to this level here, then get the down move from this level here. Whatever happens, if we get the down move from either from here or from here, whatever happens, the down move is expected to reach this level, then we can take the buy to reach this level here. That's for GBP CHF. Euro AUD. For Euro AUD, we're expecting an up move here, a sharp up move all the way until this level here. That's for Euro AUD. We're expecting a movement up, then instead we moved from here to this level here, then we got a drop. So this next week we can get an up move here, then corrective structure, then up, or we can get a corrective structure here, then down. Then after the down move, we can look for an up move from this level here all the way until this level. That's for Euro AUD. GBP NZD. For GBP NZD, from this level we see that we're expecting a down move, a sharp down move, but the down move was moving down just like that. So this past week we say that now we're expecting an up move. We're expecting an up move to reach this level here. Then from then we can get the sell movement. That's for GBP NZD. We're expecting an up move, then a sell, but we might not trade this up move. But if we get a good entry and better risk to reward, we can go for the up move from this level until this level for GBP NZD. Then from this level here we can look for a sell. AUD CAD, our bias is sell. Even if we can get one more up on AUD CAD, our bias is sell. Why? This is because the structure we're having here is a known structure to the team, so we are only looking for sell opportunities. Any buy, we are not interested in it. We only want sell positions. This is USD CHF. USD CHF, this past week, this up move was focused from here to reach this level. Then now we're expecting this drop here. Then after this drop, we're expecting an up move to break this previous high. Then after we break this previous high, we're looking for a bigger down move to break this previous low. That's for USD CHF. If you like, you can go for this up move from here all the way up to this level. Then from this level here, you can take the sell to reach this level. That's for USD CHF. GBP JPY. For GBP JPY, this up move was focused from this level to reach this level here. And as you can see, we got that up move, and whatever is happening here from just here, it's just a corrective structure. So after this corrective structure is completed, we're looking for a buy, and the buy is expected to reach this level here. That's for GBP JPY. We're expecting to get a buy from here, then up. So if we get an entry opportunity, if our strategy gives us a proper entry with good risk to reward, we can go for the up move. And if you don't know how to trade this pair, please just stay away from it and look for pairs that your strategy gives you an entry on. That's for GBP JPY.